Good evening, Jai Hind, Namaste, Yelaragu, Namaskara. Welcome to our relaunch of Go With The Flow, Season 2, Episode 2, with yet another inspiring woman, Miss Sanchari Chaudhary. I know you all have missed me, as I've missed you, and we all know that we've been through a very difficult time, and the nation called us. We were busy doing what we were required to do. And Go With The Flow believes in touching lives personally. Go With The Flow is a very, very humble initiative to bring you the journeys of real people, real lives, real stories. This is not a celebrity show, and this is not a platform of powerful ones, but those who are simple human beings playing their part in whichever field they are, whether it is a homemaker or a working professional. And we feel that each individual on this earth has come with a purpose and his own journey to complete in the highest order. Today we have amongst us a very sweet, ever smiling lady who is also a very successful woman. She's none other than our very dear Miss Sanchari Chaudhary, Director IIHM Bangalore. A friend whose friendship I definitely cherish the most. In fact, even as the Wiki KDPC member, she has gone out of the way to help our defense personal wives, and I salute you and bow you for that, Sanchari. Thank you so much for accepting my humble invite. You are, this is going to be very, very entertaining, I'm sure. And of course, we're going to have a very candid conversation. Sanchari, over to you.
Thank you so much. First of all, a very warm welcome to all the viewers and definitely all the audience. It's so nice to have you all join us on this amazing Friday afternoon. And we are in the city of Bangalore, very, very pleasant. And in fact, not even pleasant. I have to say that it was a beautiful weather outside. And we just, had a wonderful rendezvous with the members as well.
Yeah.
And I have to say that, Major, you have been always a great support to us, to myself, my entire team. You are a great friend of IIHM and all of us here in Bangalore. And what best could I have actually done rather than come over here and speak to and of course, let the world know about the amazing bond and relationship and definitely the kind of work we are doing together.
How lovely. Thank you so much. But now here comes my first ball of fire, Sanchari. Over to you now. Who is Sanchari? What is your background, Sanchari? Your upbringing, because I just know you as Director IIHM and of course my lovely friend. But I want to know about you, your family, your upbringing.
Well, it's very interesting, in fact, Major, because yes, my upbringing has been very, very nice. I'm very grateful to my family and of course my parents for bringing me up this way and making me what I am today. I mean, everybody needs to have a support system in life, and no matter what they do, parents play a very vital role. So
True.
in fact, of course, I'm a Calcutta girl. I was born in Cal. My roots are in Bengal. But then, of course, I was brought up in a beautiful place. Again, I'm a small town girl. I come from Port Blair.
Oh, lovely.
And that's where, because of my father's business, I come from a business family. And, I grew up there. And definitely, apart from my schooling, I went to a Catholic school, I went to a convent. That again had a great impact in my life. I loved my school life. And though I was not someone who was too inclined towards sports and many other things, I was a little shy, but I think I enjoyed the company of people. That is something which plays a big role in my life. I like people.
Yes, I can see that.
Yes,
Actually, people hover around you. That's the personality that I see you as.
Well,
Wow.
I think that is very important,
Huh.
Major, because
True.
I think very important is what I have seen in life is, whether it was through my parents or my mentors or anybody else who had influence in my life, what matters is your behavior with people, because that goes a long way.
True.
No matter how much credentials you're coming with or how much successful you are, if you're not able to remember your humility or what exactly you're behaving with people, you can never really have a
So beautiful.
good peace of mind, or even
True.
you will never be able to have a contentful life. So I think I've had it, because I've had some amazing people in my life, and even the ones who has not really been amazing in certain ways. I'm sure everybody has their own, packets in life. I've always learned a lot from failure. I've had loads of failures in life, whether it was personal life, whether it was professionally as well, there has been challenges for me, and I'm sure Major will be talking about this today. I think I have been blessed. I have been very, very happy with the way things have been for me in life.
How lovely.
So that's what Sanchari is all about.
My God. I mean, in a nutshell, I just can say, Sanchari, I love you, yeah.
Same here, Major. It's likewise.
You know, the only reason that I'm not reading her bio, and believe you me, if you start reading, I want her to talk about it. And you know, it's really amazing, Sanchari. You're such a young woman, and I know her age, but I keep telling her, you have a lovely skin, yeah, you just don't look the age that you are. But what about your education background, Sanchari? What is your...
All right, so my high school, everything happened in Port Blair. So after my formal education, I of course moved in to back to my hometown, which was in Cal. I completed my hospitality management. So there's a story behind that again, and I want to be like kind of very candid about it. So I was really never meant to take up this particular profession. So when I was a kiddo, when I was in fact, starting up my life, thinking about my career, of course, in my teens, I have to say that again, because the connection with defense has gone a long way, because I went again to a Navy school where my prep went.
Oh, lovely.
I have a lot of influence of defense in my life.
I can see that. You're quite disciplined.
Well, through family, and have been, of course, having a lot of amazing friends. I grew up with people who comes from the naval background, definitely. So that definitely gave me a lot of scope to think about hospitality, because I always think, and I always can connect hospitality, with, you can say, the armed forces or defense. They are so much identical to each other.
My brother-in-law is going to be so happy hearing this. He was a
certain
commander in the Indian Navy.
I'm certain, ma'am. And so when I started again, there was, as a Bengali girl, I'm sure all of us will be able to agree here that there's a lot of influence of education in our lives. We all want to be professors. We all want to basically go ahead and complete our PhDs. And anybody who has not really gone up to that level is really not taken up very seriously, and that's exactly what happened with me as well. So I think I was really one of the failed people. I will say failed people, though I was doing pretty well, and I was very happy with how I was actually doing in my boards or whatever. I was quite good. Still, there was a lot of expectation and competition amongst my own cousins, and who might be extremely academically proficient, but somehow, even though I was hailing with a degree, with an honors in education and of course in psychology, somewhere I was disconnected. I was not able to feel that course. I really didn't know how much it will be able to help me in my life and in my career. And that's where, I came across this amazing, you can say, world called as hospitality. Trust me, before that, I had no idea what hospitality was about. And that summer, I can really not forget, there was a lot of influence of my mom, and definitely my, you can say my aunt, etc., who told me about the amazing college that I'm from. And we went, we met, I saw my college, and it has been almost 23 years that I have this connection with my college, IIM, which I'm extremely proud of. And my mentors, of course, Dr. Bose and Maitri ma'am, they were my mentors. Since then, this relationship that I carry forward, whatever I am today, is all because of them. I mean, that course, entire career, everything changed my life, and I'm very, very happy about it.
How lovely. There must be people watching you today trying to understand, if she is there, what it takes to be there. So that's my next question to you. You're a director of a very, very prestigious international organization, which is an internationally established institution headquartered in Kolkata.
That's right.
I'd like you to tell me more about International Institute of Hotel Management, not only for me, but for the people, the children, the kids, aspiring students who are watching you. And I'm also, let me add here, I'm anyways in awe of that man, but I want to know, and I'm very, very keen to know, of your mentor, Dr. Subarno Bose. First of all, I just want to say, sir, kudos to you, because the way you have managed these lovely women across the globe, across India, because I just know these women are, so much in love with you, the respect that I see from everyone. What is it in him here? First about your institute, and then over to Dr. Subarno.
Well, it is, there's so many things, Major, that I want to really talk about, and we never really get a scope to, because whenever you feel that you have to go ahead and exude your emotions, words basically remain short. So I'm extremely honored to be a part of this particular, entity. And definitely since the time I was a student of his, which is about 23 years ago, I graduated in 2001. And since 98 is a connection with Sir and of course the entire academy. So as a proud alumni, I have seen him grow, nurture this institution, and today, being one of the world's finest, with the global connect that we have with more than 50, you can say, countries, with so much of foreign traditions that we have, support that we have, so many things that we're doing abroad and even here. The connection. It is not really easy to keep this kind of an entity together. The way he has kept all of us together, and definitely the way he kind of takes care of his students, is amazing again. And that's because, of the humility that he has, right? He has always been the person that you get to see him here. There had never been a change, right? And not an iota of change in him, because that's what I think hospitality is all about. If you're grounded into your entire life, no matter how much success, kind of touches you, that is something which is a beauty, and that is the beauty of a person that he is. Talking about IIHM, well, that happens to be you can say, an entity which is there in the country and abroad today for the last 30 years. So 30 years has been the entire journey of International Institute of Hotel Management. And definitely we are there now across, 8 cities. In India, we have 2 international campuses, and of course, and that's only growing. And what we are today is mainly because of the grand alumni, amazing alumni, people who are in fact working across different walks of life, various verticals of hospitality, all extremely renowned chefs or general managers, entrepreneurs, CEOs. That is what exactly has made the college, the International Institute of Hotel Management, so strong. And that's because of the vision of Dr. Bose.
How sweet of you. How sweet of you to have actually spoken like that. In fact, I learned a lot about your organization when I was trying to, understand how I'm supposed to take this forward. And the more I learn, the more I hear, I think I can just kind of express my gratitude, because that's very sweet of you to, the way you've kind of mentioned about your mentor, the way you've talked about the people who are watching you. I must say, heartiest congratulations to all of your people out there. And because of you, I've been able to touch few lives. You spoke about the chefs and all. I know a little bit of them now.
Yes, absolutely, Major.
So how was your professional journey? Because I know that you were also working in hotels, right? Hotel Oberoi.
Yes.
She has a background, ladies and gentlemen. So she's worked in an MNC as well. What company was that?
So I started my journey, Major, with the Oberoi Hotel. So that was where we were all placed. So this beautiful property of the villas property of Oberoi's. So that was where my career started after my hospitality graduation. And soon after that, of course, I completed my MBA, my master's in marketing. So marketing and sales has been in my blood, in my veins, ever since the time I started with my journey, my career journey. And I've been very, very fortunate and very, very stable in being associated with associations like, say, the Hutchison Telecom, which was of course Vodafone again. So I've worked with Hutchison as well as with Vodafone.
Yeah. So how was the journey moving from the MNC to the director, to being a director of a college? Yeah.
So,
I mean, by the way, before you answer that, how old are you? Yeah. Okay.
Well, I'm 42 and
she's lying. 42. She's lying, ladies and gentlemen. She's absolutely lying. She just cannot be above 35, and I have to grant it to your parents. I must say that. So, I mean, of course, you look like a college girl. Come on. So, how was that? How was that change for you?
I think it was incredible because, hospitality, I mean, this entire program, and especially because of the international program that we had, everything that we were taught, whether it was strategies, whether it was management, whether it was, all the, you can say, operational things, and definitely the proficiency and confidence that we all had. You're capable to work in any place. Everybody is willing to, basically invest in you, and that's what happened with me. So whether it was hotels or whether it was, a corporate MNC, multinational organization where I was, and later when I switched into education management and past 14 years that I'm a part of education management, I think it has been an incredible journey. I had a very fine leadership role. I, in fact, got into very young leadership very early, and especially, the very moment I moved into IIHM, it's been almost 11 years now, more than a decade that I'm working with Dr. Bose and all of us incredible people of IIHM. I am extremely lucky again. I think it's also, you need to be very, very fortunate because of the place that you're in. You have to be in the right place at the right time.
That's
you have
right.
to grab opportunities. You have to work hard. It's all because of working hard, being very, very honest with what you're doing, the passion, definitely. And I think even today, passion can never leave me alone. I absolutely love what I do. I absolutely love where I am. And there's never really a thought ever in my life of ever thinking about retirement, even maybe 20 years down the line. I don't ever want to think about it. I'm so much in love with my work.
So nice. So from east to west, I've seen
Yes.
people moving east to west. You actually moved from the east to south. So what about that cultural change? Did you
Never really
Yeah.
felt, because again, as I said, Major, I was brought up in a place which was again very, very cosmopolitan in nature, right? I have been with defense people around, so we had a very liberated family I belonged to, so language was never an issue. So of course, I've worked in Calcutta for a very long time. I've worked in Agra and definitely down south now. I'm working for the last 11 years. Never was there any kind of an issue when it comes to language, when it comes to cultural differences. I think it's all about how you adapt yourself with. You have to be fearlessly working, and that's what I've been doing
Oh,
all
excellent.
throughout.
So you manage 3 campus buildings of the same branch
Yes,
of IIHM
that's
Bangalore.
right, yes.
And you also work for the parent group Sanchari.
Yes.
So many young minds to nurture. I'll complete this right now. You're also responsible for South India, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. 3 states to take care of.
Yes.
You have so many mindsets to deal with. What is your secret recipe of doing it so well? Because I have witnessed it. I have witnessed your people management, and I must say they are amazing. भैया हम तो फौजी है, हमारे तो people management skill की बस थोड़ी सी कमी रह जाती है. But ma'am, I have to tell you, the way she manages, trust me, I am very bad at it and I'm wanted. Once a Fauji, always a Fauji. So I am very keen to know that what is your secret recipe?
I think it all comes from the top. I've seen always my mentor, who's also my boss, see the way he rules. The love that he gives everybody, the empowerment. He just leaves it and tells you, this is how you have to go about it. He just basically observes you, always supporting you. And that's where I've learned leadership. And I think, it's very important for me to have the right leaders in my life to inspire me. Because it's very important that if your mentor is not someone who inspires you, you really cannot be in the right. And that's where the passion comes from. And I've been extremely lucky with that. And that's how what I've learned, and definitely when it comes to work, I'd really never think, and I'm sure like me, all my other directors and everybody who is together today thinks the same, because I never really think that I'm working so much, and this is exactly because I'm expected to do that. This is what my entire life is all about. So when somebody thinks so passionately about what they want to, I don't really think, Major, that they have to see the clock moving or ticking, or basically have to say that so much am I managing, because that's a huge, I love challenges, and that's what sir has already given me so many opportunities, and he's always given me, you can say, one of the toughest challenges, many. And I think I'm very, very happy with the way I have gone with it, and I've kept, my entire thing is all about making him always content with his people, and that's what we always try to do, to establish the right things, and of course work for the brand together. So that unity is something which has been created, and that's why we are in one of the best places to work, right? Forbes, I'm sorry I'm talking about this, but then I'm always so happy talking about our brand, because Forbes, which I'm sure everybody knows, one of the world's largest media organizations, right? And Forbes has basically accredited us and of course awarded us more than 4 consecutive years as the best brand.
Oh, lovely.
Both
Excellent.
for education, great place to study, as well as great place to work as well. So I think I'm very, very fortunate to be a part of it. This entire
Excellent. So
ecosystem.
her passion for work is the recipe that it keeps it intact, and she leads the way she has to. And I know you are one person who really knows how to lead the way, show the way, even goes the way, walks the talk, ladies and gentlemen. But Sanchari, beyond all this, I want to know your challenges that you have faced, and what did it take you to overcome them. Let's be real now.
I think, again, Major, I want to be very, very direct. Challenges are something which every person faces. I'm certain that there's none here, who would not be facing challenges in life. And just like you said yourself, if you do not really taste, have the flavor of, say, failures in life, you really would not ever go ahead and admire your success. And that's what I always try to do. I always want to embrace my hardships, my challenges, and definitely, the failures that I have encountered in life, and that's what made me more strong enough to go ahead and embrace. Yes, as a girl, I've had loads of challenges. While I was in fact working in my working professional, as a working professional, definitely when you're riding up the ladder, there are a lot of challenges which comes your way. You will be always having people around you who might not be very happy about how you're doing things, and that's what we always say. Peers matter. They're whatever they say.
सिंपल सा सेंटेंस है,
Yes.
करते कैसे हो यार? हम क्यों नहीं कर पाते? वो कैसे कर लेती है? नहीं,
बिल्कुल ठीक।
वो जो पीछे की बात है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल होता ही है ऐसे। सारे कॉर्पोरेट्स में, मैं जब कॉर्पोरेट्स में थी, इनफैक्ट आई हैव सीन दैट मोर।
भैया 47 की एज में भी होता है।
But I think it's very important that, no matter what is happening around you, let the storm be around you. It's almost like getting always be in that Zen mode, right? Only let those things affect you which matters to you. And the rest will just kind of follow. Because if you're successful, if you're strong, the world would follow you. If you're not, the world will always try to kind of notice that and try to basically get into that particular spot of yours. So I think it's very important that you remain strong no matter what you do.
Oh, excellent. आपका डे टू डे रूटीन क्या होता है संचारी? एंड आई नो कि पैंडमिक एज अ प्रोफेशनल सबको हिट किया है, राइट?
Yes.
आपके इंस्टीट्यूट को, आपके कॉलेज को, आपके स्टूडेंट्स को, आपके स्टाफ को, इट वुड डेफिनेटली हैव हिट एज वेल. बट इस पैंडमिक के दौरान हाउ डिड यू मेंटेन योर रूटीन? अदरवाइज क्या रूटीन था, फिर क्या रूटीन हुआ? हाउ डिफिकल्ट वाज दैट? And how are you managing it now?
Right.
Things are opening up now.
Yes.
अभी
absolutely.
वैक्सीनेशंस पूरे लग
Yes.
चुके हैं, आप कोविड से बाहर निकली हैं,
बिल्कुल।
एंटीबॉडीज लेके बैठी हैं। मैं दोनों वैक्सीनेशंस लेके बैठी हूँ. So how was it professionally for you? But first,
Yes.
your day-to-day routine.
All right. It is very simple, just like maybe another person is. Definitely काम तो है ही, बिल्कुल. That is something which, the very moment, it's almost like hitting the bed and thinking, what is my next day looking like? So I always have a scheduled calendar with myself. I love to keep my reminders. What is the most important things which I have to, in fact, do the next day, right? What am I forgetting? What are the most essential things? Uske alawa, of course, I love cinema. So, I am absolutely fascinated with the world of cinema. I watch everything, especially, a lot of international movies, a lot of series. So I always keep a spot, in my daily routine for that, no matter how busy life is, because I like to have that share. I learn a lot from cinema. I love to read, though I cannot read almost every day. It's not possible enough. But then my weekend activity, a part of it is always about reading some good stuff. I love fiction. I love medical fiction. I love, you can say, thrillers, all kinds of good stuff, which in fact entices your mind. So I love reading that as well. And definitely uske alawa, me time. I love my me time. I enjoy being by myself. Abhi to lockdown
And
hai.
then she takes out time for us as well.
Yes, I love meeting people, right? So of course our social contributions are very important. So that is something which always keeps us very, very engaged. Meeting my team. The team is like a family. So, spending time with the team is very important, I think. And I think that's also a way that you can always come closer to, the people that you're working with. So I always try to do that, in my daily routine.
So how did you manage pandemic as a director IHM?
Yes.
And how difficult was that phase? And how are you managing it now?
Well, the most difficult for our phase, in fact, and which is still continuing, is that we are not able to see our students. I mean, an institution is never really, blooming if the students aren't there. It's almost like a corporate building, right? So we are really eagerly waiting for our students to be back. There are lots of things which we, in fact, have gone ahead and done. In fact, did for our students in the last 1.5 years. In fact, building up the curriculum more beautifully, enhancing it, skills, right? Getting to have a lot of good opportunities, global opportunities for our students. So, बहुत कुछ किया है हमने. The last 1.5 years has been incredibly gone into developing the curriculum and a lot of new things which in fact the industry wants today. So बहुत कुछ उसमें गया है, बहुत सारी brainstorming sessions हुए हैं. So
You would have
brainstorming is
invested a
something.
lot as well,
Yes.
because I know, see, we have children, and I know
Yes.
how much effort a
That's
school
right.
or an institution, an educational institution has taken, and I must say kudos to your teachers, to your staff, because it's difficult to manage children on virtual session, yeah. But you have
Absolutely.
all done it so well.
Yes.
Investment into your IT
Correct.
connection. I mean, all of that.
Yes.
It is not easy.
बिल्कुल.
So kudos to all of you for doing that and finding new ways to ensure that none of the studies are getting impacted,
Yes.
even during pandemic. So
बिल्कुल मैम.
thank you for all that, and through you I'd also like to thank all the teachers and in fact all the schools and educational institute for taking so much effort. And I also urge, this is a phase, it'll go. Don't crib about the, don't, what do you say, don't sweat,
Yes.
don't fret,
Don't fret on that,
yeah.
yes.
So जाएगा ये दौर भी.
बिल्कुल.
You had a bout of COVID.
Yes, I did.
Yeah. Oh my God. And अब तो आप COVID warrior हैं. You're a COVID warrior.
Yes.
How difficult was that phase, Sanchari?
I was scared. Honestly, I was very, very scared because I think more than having the disease, it's about everybody who talks about it. It's about getting to know about the disease so much that you get actually scared about it.
Yeah.
And इतनी सारी messages, information यहाँ से वहाँ से बहुत सारी चीजें. But then I think more importantly, I have fought a lot of things in my life medically as well. A lot of challenges. Very importantly, I would like to take this opportunity in telling that I'm extremely fortunate that I have the support of my organization, who is always there even when we are actually not doing well, really, medically. So I have to say a big, big thank you to my mentor. And of course, I'm very emotional about it because I think if you do not really have that support, you can never have that confidence.
Yeah.
So I think I have been able to fight it so well. And I wanted to fight it very soon, and of course, so that I'm back to what I'm doing.
I know you were taking an international session.
Yes.
When you were
During-
down with COVID.
Yes.
Some award ceremony where the day I had
Yes,
lost my uncle. But so you were unwell, but you were still working. How
Right.
sweet was that? And again, thank you, because I think you're an inspiration for other people, and they are looking at you. And हिम्मत भी आ जाती है कि कोई बात नहीं, it's just a normal disease,
Yes,
and we are going to pass
बिल्कुल.
this phase.
बिल्कुल.
But उस समय किसकी याद आई थी यार?
सबकी-
मुझे याद किया था.
बिल्कुल किया था.
The last we met was at Sanja Sandhya.
I know, and in fact मैं सोच ही रही थी कि अगर मुझसे अगर किसी को हो जाए तो क्या
You
होगा?
were not COVID at that time, which we are
Yes.
all aware.
But then definitely, we talked, and I know that, there was so much of support that you were giving, and so many things, so many lives that you were basically saving, and that itself has inspired me so much. I mean, everybody.
This show
was a
is
support
about
system.
you. This show is about you. I want to know your highs and lows in life, Sanchari. A very serious thing, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very personal thing, and I would leave it at Sanchari's discretion to discuss about her lows. But yes, the highs. She's always high in life, so high spirited, always smiling. But if you have had the lows in life that you have bounced back, with, please share. Only if you're comfortable.
Well, up plenty. Plenty. I mean, I can actually
Yeah,
write a
फिर भी
book
हंस
on
रहे हो.
that. Because I think you never really, until you do not really, life is an adventure, guys. And I think, if you really are incredibly lucky enough to have so many kinds of different phases in life, you can never be fearful of anything. And today, in fact, there's nothing I can actually be fearing about. Fine. I mean, there has to be a day when things might not be the way it is. But then जब है उसको आप एकदम अच्छे से जिए. Like whatever you're doing, whether you're working, whether you're at home, whether you're investing in something, whether you're actually speaking to someone, जो भी करिए. Do honestly. And I think that is something which I always want to do. Whether it's with my people, whether it is, with my friends, with my family, where I'm working, with my students, I always try to be very honest. Lows तो बहुत होंगे life में, and lows will be there to help you know about your highs. So they are part and parcels, and बहुत सारी है मैम. क्या बोल सकती हूँ मैं?
एक.
Well, my personal life, of course, when I started, it was a low, but then I did not let that low affect my high, which was my career. So, no matter how low it was, it could not really peak on my highest point, which was my career. So I'm very proud of that moments in my life where I've been through the worst, but still I was doing really well. and I think not many can do that. I'm extremely proud of that connect and whatever I have in fact done with, and that has given me a lot of strength to move on and take up any challenge in life. And I'm always raring to go.
I always end up saying this, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में देखना दम
वही गाना
बाजुए
गाने
नहीं है वो तो खैर हम अपने नेशन के लिए करते हैं, बट यहाँ पे भी दम बहुत चाहिए. बट
बिल्कुल
यस,
मैम.
ये बात सही है कि नो वंस लाइफ इज अ बेड ऑफ रोजेस,
Yes.
और हर किसी की जिंदगी में कुछ ना कुछ तो होता है.
बिल्कुल.
द ओनली थिंग इज आप हंस के जी लें. सो वंडरफुल. यू आर एन एविड रीडर.
Yes.
You love good music. You are a devoted canine lover. I hope Mrinalini is watching this because she is also one.
Yes,
You enjoy movies.
I do.
भैया मेरी रात तो कभी बिना Netflix के खत्म नहीं होती. Well, you just detoured me here, Sanchari. And
Yes.
additionally to all that, मैं थोड़ा बहुत डांस भी कर लेती हूँ, और गाना तो हम बाथरूम सिंगर हैं.
मैं भी कर लेती हूँ.
Ladies and gentlemen, please understand this. She's a Bengali. And every Bengali, मुझे तो मालूम है because I have my friends.
I know where it's going.
Yeah, I know. You be ready for that. That every Bengali is a default singer. And I would want you to sing few lines for my audience. Please. It's a very sincere request.
No, definitely
थोड़ा
I
सा.
will. बिल्कुल.
She's a BTS fan, by the way, and
Yes,
I
I
I'm
am.
going to tell my daughters because मुझे मालूम है कि just 2-3 years back, my older one is a crazy fan of BTS. So मेरे घर में हर कोई तो I don't even know their names. I don't know what are their names.
Well, they're called as ARMY, so
Yeah.
I'm an ARMY as well.
So everything was just BTS, but
Yes.
I would want her to sing few Hindi lines. अगर BTS भी वो भी चलेगा, अंग्रेजी शायद हमारी कम है, but so you can take a sip of water and clear your throat. But I'm not going to the next question until I've heard few lines
Oh my
from
God.
Sanchari.
This is very. I have never really done that ever in my life, but then only on your request I can actually do that. क्योंकि मैंने
Let's do
already
it.
बोल दिया है कि मैं बहुत courageous हूँ. So I cannot really, split it from that. But then of course to the
No,
audience.
this is a very beautiful show, Sanchari. This is
Yes.
about our real life. Go ahead and
I
let's
think
make
I
this more
would
beautiful.
want you to actually sing with me.
चलो हम
because
गा लेंगे भैया,
this
हम तो
is-
बाथरूम सिंगर हैं, हम फिर भी
बिल्कुल.
गा लेंगे.
Me too, and I think this song is something which has always inspired me in my life. This is from this movie called as Jurm, which has Meenakshi and
Oh, okay.
of course, and something which always kind of affects me a lot.
मैं पानी पीऊंगी.
बिगड़ जाए जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ सनम ओ हम नवा, न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हम नवा.
Oh, lovely.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. This is the first time, ladies and gentlemen, that someone is singing on my show. But I couldn't let a Bengali go without singing at all. So tell me, this SKAL, SKAL,
Yes.
that you are an active international member of. What is this all about, Sanchari? The SKAL.
Okay, all right. So SKAL International, again, I'm a very proud member of SKAL for the last 7.5 years right now, since my journey in Hyderabad and now in Bangalore. So SKAL, in fact, is, it's a friendship club, and of course, friends who do business together. So it is meant for the hospitality professionals, right, who come together, or you can say the hospitality leaders who come together, whether they are from academics or whether they are actually hoteliers or tourism. They come together across the world, and definitely it's a very beautiful club. There are more than about 1,200 clubs across the world, across the, we can say different particular regions. SKAL, as you know, is a Swedish term for cheers.
Oh.
So it's a very, very beautiful, you can say, organization. Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
And it brings together people coming from the vertical of hospitality and travel and tourism.
Okay.
And friends do business together again, as I said.
That is wonderful.
So IIHM Bangalore, and of course I being the representative, happen to be a very proud SKAL member, and of course IIHM all across is partnered with SKAL International, Pan India, and we are doing a lot of work, collaborative work together, in fact, to go ahead and promote hospitality and tourism across the globe.
Oh, this is a
Yes.
fantastic initiative, and I
That's
think a
right.
fantastic organization. Thank you for giving insight into SCOL. I'm sorry I was pronouncing it as SCAL, but now that you've corrected me, it's SCOL, ladies and gentlemen. Project Finesse,
Yes.
and I'm very proud of this Project Finesse because it's all because of this girl. Was one of its kind, and in fact the first of its kind hospitality culinary skill workshop. Please say something about this experience. If I start, I'm sure, Sanchari, I won't be able to stop because as of now, I am, as I said, in awe of you, your exemplary staff, डॉक्टर सुबर्णो बोस, मतलब जितने भी IHM के लोग पूरे विश्व में हैं, आपके शेफ्स, आपके सेलिब्रिटी शेफ्स, थैंक यू रणवीर बरार, थैंक यू सो
Yes,
मच
Shukran.
कि आप आए. शेफ शॉन, थैंक यू सो मच. And we had Chef
Sanjay Kar.
Sanjay Kar.
Yes.
Thank you so much that you actually encouraged all of us. It was very, very humbling. And I can't begin to thank Dr. Subodh. मैं तो thank you लिखते लिखते थक जाऊंगी. So how was that experience? Because I am overwhelmed. I'm completely honored and very indebted to all of you all. And I know that you're doing this again for us.
Yes.
Very soon on the 7th of August and 21st of August, again for all our defense officers, defense personnel wives, and also our women officers. So we've called it Project Sparkle this
Right.
time.
Yes.
So Sanchari, your words about Project Finesse.
I think it was, we didn't even thought, that this will be actually even possible, and it was just over coffee
Yeah.
that we were having a conversation. And I was so proud to be a part of Wiki KTPC as well, where you are of course the president and Sneh ma'am as well, right? Your entire, you can say the Wiki KTPC body thought about this, and the very moment you reached me that if we can do something for the army wives, for the armed forces wife, that was an opportunity I could not just leave.
Yeah.
I have always dreamt of doing something for defense because I was so close to it from my early childhood days. And as I always say, and Dr. Bose always says, there's hardly any, you can say, disconnect between being an army, or you can say a defense personnel or a hospitality professional, because of so much of skill sets which is matching your personality, your proficiency, and definitely your love for the people, and of course
The nation.
service for the nation.
Discipline, everything.
So much together. So when this opportunity came, we thought, let's go ahead and do it. And I have to thank my entire team of IHM Bangalore, who at one particular step went ahead. They thought so many things. They brought it to me. We all discussed, and I have to thank again. I really don't find words sometimes to thank Sir. He has been a big support system. Whatever say, anything kind of, any opportunity comes by, he's always there to say.
And
a big thumbs up.
did all of this during pandemic.
I did that
remember
during the
I
pandemic.
remember initially
Yes.
they said, can we do recorded sessions
Yes.
and play them?
That's
I said,
right.
no, that's not happening. Let's do live. She had everybody, all of them of the team. Can I name all of them? You have
Absolutely.
Shweta, you have Debalina, you have Shiva, you have Shankar. Please correct me when I go wrong. Who else am I missing? You have
Purnima,
Chef Vijeta,
yes.
you have Purnima, you
Yes.
have
Darshana,
Saurav,
and
you
so
have
many, yes.
Rinku,
yes.
You have Vinay John,
Yes, and so many others who were
everybody.
in fact,
everybody
entire
of
team.
you, the
Yes.
entire team,
Yes.
Ankit, so all of you all,
Yes.
thank you so much for all that you've done for the armed forces personnel, wives and women officers. On their behalf, I heartily thank you, Sanchari, for doing this and continue to help everyone, every person out there. So I think you have a very, very big heart, and I'm sure that big heart is because your leader is an excellent man. Thank you,
Absolutely.
sir. Thank you so much. And really, Jai Hind to all of you. Sanchari, tell me 3 things you wish to do in your life. What's your bucket list?
Oh my God, it's again so exhaustive.
तीन ही बता दो यार.
The biggest wish in my life, and something which I always live with, is of course to make the people around me who matters to me happy. I know I'm being very philosophical, but then that's always been the motto of my life, that I should never be hurting people who who gets affected by me. My presence affects them, whether it's family, my friends, my closest network. It matters to me a lot when I see a smile on their
Second?
Second, of course, is traveling. I love traveling. Pandemic definitely has.
चलेंगे साथ में?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मैम.
मेरी एक bucket list है. I want to do one Europe tour.
बिल्कुल
Let's go.
होगा.
All right. Lovely. Third?
I think to watch all the wonderful movies of the world, and definitely I have another
वो साथ
one.
देखेंगे.
बिल्कुल. And definitely to have someday maybe I want to do something for the canines because I love dogs. I've had so many dogs myself.
I'll get you connected to
That's
Mrinalini. You
right.
met her today anyways.
Yes,
And I
absolutely
think she
so.
does a lot of work.
And that is
for
something
dogs.
I really want to
How
do
sweet.
and invest time in.
Done.
Doing something for them definitely in life.
Excellent. As our esteemed Wiki KDPC member, and for others who are watching who don't know, this is Women's International Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Women Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Karnataka Defense Personnel Council, which is an NGO, and it's for the benefit of everyone, for women especially. I proudly say that you've already gone a long way, much and beyond, and a major contributor. And because of you, we are doing so much now, and bringing essence to this council. And Dipti, thank you so much. You and Sanchari make a wonderful team. Mrs. Dipti Mohan, congratulations, and I thank you for doing whatever you've done along with Sanchari. God bless you all. How do you feel? I wish I could actually do, go with the flow with Dipti, but she's too shy. She's very camera shy, and she never let me even, take one clip of hers. But how do you feel being a part of Wiki KDPC?
I think incredible. As hospitality people, we always want to do and be a contributor to society in many particular ways. So as an educator, definitely my education is incomplete unless, I'm not taking it way ahead, beyond my campus, beyond my region, to the people, to the masses. And that's what hospitality is all about. And we want to basically, being IIHM, being the brand that I come from, the Coveted brand, we want to go ahead and promote hospitality to every particular person, every household, and to definitely accept and acknowledge how beautiful a profession and career this is all about. So I think there are still so many myths, about hospitality as an industry. But then I have to tell you, even after suffering so much of pandemic and so many things that the world is going through, there's something which will never really go. People will never stop eating food for which they'll be going out.
True.
People will never stop traveling. People will never basically stop staying in hotels or do anything which is basically directly, leading to hospitality. So it is an industry which loves people, cares for people, and this industry can never really ever have a recession. So I think being a part of IHM, and which has in fact helped me become a part of Wiki KDPC, there are a lot of things that I want to actually go ahead and do and contribute to, society, and
So lovely.
for, of
So
course, the masses.
So lovely. I think it's a wonderful and a noble gesture. I love what you do. Thank you so much for your time, ma'am, today. On behalf of our global chairperson for Wiki, Madam Harbeen Arora, I know you have seen her video. She's a very sweet and a very beautiful woman, and I think her path and her journey is all about women empowerment and developing women and upskilling them, and we're trying to do as much, so which is so nice. I will be giving you a small token. We were busy enjoying and having fun, and your token is left in the car. And that's a very small gesture of just saying thank you very much for being on my show.
Thank
Go
you,
with the
ma'am.
flow. Thank you so much, friends. I am sure with this beautiful lady, you all have enjoyed the session today. And I know that you enjoyed watching me after a very, very long time. I don't believe in doing virtual sessions, ek screen aisa or ek screen aisa. I don't do that. I want to touch everybody physically, personally. And I'm going to see you next on 30th of July with yet another beautiful lady that you all love. Again, thank you for watching. Stay well, stay safe. Take your vaccines and enjoy yourself. Live as much as you want to, and Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.